Let's throw down a couple of things before we go. I just want to list off a few. So guys, we know that we're committing to a healthier lifestyle. That's number one. We're going to stay hydrated because the water is so important, especially when we're talking about consuming more fiber, and especially like this fiber, this glucomannan will absorb 100 times its weight in water. So important. If you're adding creatine, again, we need the water for osmosis into the cell. So really important stuff. Maxing out our protein intake or using aminos to increase muscle protein synthesis is clutch. Stop snacking if possible, which maybe, again, just like the GLP-1s, this can help because it can cut those cravings and those snacking, and that's a big thing. That's a huge thing as well, right? Like,
yeah, the mindless eating.
Mindless
Cut out the mindless eating.
totally.
Eat with intention, eat with purpose.
Totally. Use caffeine to your advantage. I always say use it early, no later than 10 or 11 a.m., but you find that in our coffee, or you find that in our E3, which is a great thermogenic and can increase your metabolic rate, transiently, just temporarily, right? Of course, optimizing your sleep. We always talk about it, including the natural environment into your day every day, going out for a walk after meals if possible, and establish a routine. We love routine. So
yes,
create this routine with your supplements. All right, side effects, things we need to talk about, things that we need to watch out for.